Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn look and write of O sound words. So let's start. So as earlier I have taught you कि whenever you will solve this exercise you have to recognize the picture first, then you have to write their names. So first picture is of a dog. And what is the spelling of dog? D O G, dog. Next picture is of a rod. So R O D, rod. Next picture is of a cot. And what is the spelling of cot? C O T, cot. Next picture is of a box. And what is the spelling of box? Yes, B O X, box. Next picture is of a log. L O G, log. Next is mop. And what is the spelling of mop? M O P, mop. Now, this picture is of a top. And spelling of top is T O P, top. Now, this picture is of a pot. P O T, pot. So, you have to recognize the picture and then you have to write their names. And you have to start from this dot. Thank you.